आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। माई सेल्फ इज़ धीरज कुमार सिंह, practicing advocate of Allahabad High Court. I am making exclusive videos of 500 motivational sentences, quotations, and maxims, and each video will contain 25 sentences which will get you charged immediately and transform your life completely. You will get surprising result and miracles will happen in your life. You will become legend. Before starting the topic, if you have not subscribed my channel so far, I humbly request you to subscribe my channel and like and share it with others so that I can get inspiration and motivation to make more videos and others may also take benefit thereof. Let us start the topic on motivational sentences, quotation and maxims. Part 1. First, negativity is defeated by positivity. Second, being positive in a negative situation is a sign of wisdom and character. Third, life should be greater. Life should be great rather than long. Fourth, life is really simple, but we insist on making it complicated. Fifth, failure is the opportunity to begin again more intelligently. Sixth, time, friends, health, and relations don't come with a price tag, but when we lose them, then we realize the cost. Seventh, time, power, money, and body may not cooperate every time in life, but good natures, good understanding, spiritual path, and true spirit will always cooperate in life. 8. Good relations are like needles of clock. They only meet for some times, but always stay connected. 9th, the good life is one inspired by love and guided by knowledge. 10th, coins always make a sound, but the currency notes are always silent. So, when your value increases, keep yourself calm and silent. 11. Life is not qualified by fluent English, branded clothes, or a rich lifestyle. It is measured by the number of faces who smile when they hear your name. 12th, we should accept life as pair of walking legs. The foot forward has no pride and the foot behind has no shame because both know that their situation will change at the next step. 13th, rivers never go to reverse, so try to live like a river. Forget past and focus on future. Enjoy the day with full satisfaction. 14th, every little smile can tough somebody's heart. No one is born happy, but all of us are born with the ability to create happiness. Be happy always. 15th, I have many problems in my life, but my lips don't know that. They always smile. Charlie Chaplin. 16th, the most useful asset of a person is not a head full of knowledge, but a heart full of love, with ears open to listen and hands willing to help. 17th, we can win life by all means if we simply avoid two things in our life: comparing with others and expecting from others. At 10th, life is like a camera. Focus, capture, develop on what is important, the good times from the negatives, and things don't work out, take another shot. 19th, smile more than you cry, give more than you take, and love more than you hate. 20th, an excellent saying: when you move your focus from competition to contribution, life becomes celebration. Never try to defeat people, just try to win them. 21, work for a cause and not for applause. Live life to express and not to impress. Don't strive to make your presence noticed. Just make your absence felt. 22, a morning is a wonderful blessing, either cloudy or sunny. It stands for hope, giving us another start of what we call life. 23, every sunset gives us one day less to live, but every sunrise gives us one day more to hope. So hope for the best. 24, the world is neither good nor bad on its own. Everything that is happening around us is the reflection of our own thoughts, feelings, wishes, and actions. The world is a big mirror. Strike the best pose. 26, 25. We cannot change the direction of the wind, but remember, we can always adjust our soul. Please subscribe my channel and like and share it with others. Thank you for watching my video patiently.